you told me to chuck it out. So I chucked it. Ow.
I said chuck it even with Kat for stealing my friend Freddie. Look, I really don't want to take sides. Come on. Okay. I'm getting a strong feeling you and Freddie used to date. I'm not proud of it. Tis, my man! What was that? What? I gave the kid a big friendly hey and all I get is...
You pointed at the girls?
That's right. I'd go in 5, 4, 3, 2.
You forgot the one.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, Dave. Hey, can you watch these 2 kids for us? Oh, I can't. I'm supposed to Hey!
Robbie, I thought you and me had something special.
Well, it seems like you've got something special with a lot of fellas.
Well, then how are you getting money out of an ATM machine?
The tones.
The tones?
The tones.
Okay, we keep saying the tones, but I still have no idea what the tones means.
And?
I'm not telling you what I got you.
Come on, can I eat it? Can I wear it? Is it purple?
You'll find out tomorrow on Yay Day.
Come on, just one hint. Does it start with a...
And you?
And I'm, if you please, Cat Valentine.
Is this your first time in Oxnard?
Yes. We gave it to her when she turned 3 years old, and she loved it. She never let Poober out of her sight. Aw, that's sweet. Now get to the point. You know what the moon is, right?
I've heard of it.
Well, every 3 years, when the Earth and Jupiter are equidistant from the Sun, the moon pulses with light, and that is called a throbbing moon.
Because I'm telling you... What? What happened? You see a cop?
No! Sue! Sue in a place!
No! What are you... No! Dang it!
Hi!
I can't do it. Sup?
You're supposed to make kids happy, right, Oscar? Don't you want to be happy?
I don't know. What's it like? Ears.
Shouldn't that happen more like once every 7 years?
Oh, so all of a sudden you're smart? No. It's paper. Did something poop on your forehead? Oh, it's right over...